Excuse me. Hi. Do you speak English?
Yeah,
A little. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. And I really like your style. I just wanted to ask you if I can take a photo for you.
yeah,
Free?
but what?
Let me show you my Instagram.
Okay.
I know it's a little bit bizarre. What's your name?
Eva.
Eva? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So that's me on Instagram. My name is
Okay,
Samuel.
yeah.
So I'm a photographer. So I just go around taking photos of people.
Okay.
And then I post it so that they can see it. It's free.
Okay.
What do you say?
So, why not?
Yeah? Awesome.
Never do that.
Yeah. You look lovely. You're very beautiful. I like your style. I like your glasses, the red, the green. So maybe you can have like a hand in your pocket.
Okay.
Yes, like that. Yes. Can I have you with your hand?
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's really great.
Yeah.
I never did that before.
Yeah.